Hey guys, it's Sunshine here with another Mario Kart DS video. And today we're taking on the last cup, the special cup or something, or whatever it is. So, first of all, I need to show you guys something. I unlocked the third cart for every person. So, for Mario, it's the shooting star. For Luigi, it's the streamliner. For Peach, it's the light tripper, whatever. For Yoshi, it's the cucumber, whatever that name is. For Toad, it's the four-wheel cradle. For Donkey Kong, it's the wildlife, whatever. Mario, it's the dragonfly. Bowser, it's the hurricane, which actually looks pretty cool. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. Daisy, it's the light dancer. For Dry Bones, it's the dry bomber. And we also got a new character, Waluigi, Gold Mantis, and for his, it's the zipper. But today I'm gonna be taking on whatever cup with Dry Bones. Oh, the lightning cup, yeah. Okay, so let's go. First track is Choco Island. And I might not do really good, because I kind of jammed. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, so I kind of jammed my pinky and my other finger. So, oh shoot. This thing is really fast. Okay. Okay. Okay, I almost hit. Okay, go. Kill Toad. Or maybe not. Maybe just miss. So, Mario Kart 8 is pretty good. You know, Drogba, I went to his house and I played the game. And it was actually really cool. The graphics were amazing. And I liked, one thing I didn't like is that, first of all, you can't do wheelies in the game, which is kind of suckish with the bikes, what was the other thing again? Oh yeah, and you can't hold two items at a time, which kind of annoyed me, but I guess it's okay. And they took out the Tanuki leaf and the fake item box. Those two were like really good and stuff. Like, why the Tanuki leaf, man? It's like one of those old. No, it's not really old. I mean, the fake item box was pretty old, but I like the Tanuki leaf a lot, and we get second on that one. Banshee Boardwalk. Finally, whatever it's called. Focused. Yeah, focused. Okay. Oh, okay, good. Oh, shoot. Luigi. Toad, come back here. Okay. Okay. Fall off. For some reason, I think Mario Kart 7 is way easier than this game. For some reason, I just get better things on that one. Oh yeah, and another thing, you don't get A letter rankings in Mario Kart 8. I don't know if you didn't get them in Mario Kart 7 either. I just never got one, so. Okay, I missed that. Okay, come on. God. Sullypone said this cart was pretty good. It's okay. Oh, God. Dude. This guy almost knocked me off. Okay, second lap. We're doing okay. Except for the falling off part. That just cost me a star. Yeah. Come on, go faster. Go. I need to get at least second in this cup. I mean, no, in this stage. Okay. Great. Oh yeah, another thing I really like about the game Mario Kart 8 is because is when if you fall off the stage, it's not a black screen. It's you just see Lakitu literally like pulling you up, which it looks really cool to me. Wow, I got this in third place. Come on. Okay, I dodged that item box, which was kind of stupid of me. Come on, why is it okay? Why am I always okay? No. Okay, okay. Okay, that didn't even hit anyone. Okay. Hey. He got a triple. Oh, snap the snipe. Okay. His car is way faster. I should have picked his car. Dang it. I should have picked Waluigi. Okay. This might be the lucky win. Can I make this? Nope. I can't. Mario gets the second lead. Victory. I mean, no, second lead. First, what? No, never mind. Okay, I need to get first on the next two. And these two are usually the easier ones for me. So, oh no. I hate Sky Garden. I usually fall off, but Yoshi Island is pretty okay. Pretty okay. Because that's the right grammar. Come on. Faster. Come on, get a red shell. Yes, I got Luigi. Okay. Now we get. Okay. Shoot. Oh wow. Luigi got hit by that. Whoa, nope. No one got hit by that. Come on, blue shell, please. Whenever I'm always in first place, there's always like blue shells. But then when I'm in something else, there's never blue shells. Except for last time. Last time there was a blue shell. Okay, so when I pass Mario, I got a red shell. Again. But this will help me out later. Okay. Well, I didn't get an item. But he didn't either, so. Okay, I heard the blue shell. No! Get in there! Get in there! Yes! Because in this game, you need first, like, in 2 of the laps. Oh my god. Ah, shoot, my pinky hurts really bad. My pinky. Ugh. Okay. I was still in second when I threw that. Okay, well, who cares? Whoa. Okay, he got a red shell. Oh, God. Okay. See what I mean? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Great. Oh, my God. That's so stupid. That's so freaking stupid. He had to get a red shell in first place. Who gets that? I barely get red shells when I'm in like second. Oh my god! Someone stole. Oh my god. Oh my god! Again? How does that happen two times in a row? How does that? Oh my god. Well, I probably got like an F. Oh wow. Huh, Mario? That's what you get for last time. Great, I missed the freaking item box. Okay. Okay, there he is. Oh god. Mario. I need to get first. I won't do that bad. Okay. What? It's like Dry Bones didn't want it. He wants me to get so mad. Okay, good job, Mario. Or maybe he didn't get hit. That probably happened. Come on. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Dang it, I didn't get first. Did I even get... Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. Yeah, well, I didn't get first. I still got second. Which is okay for me. Not the best. But, yeah. That was the last, thing. So, third place, we got E. So, it's the credits. So that means it's the end of this Let's Play. And if you thought this Let's Play was kind of too suckish and bad, well, don't worry. I have a new Let's Play that I'm going to actually do better because I suck at this game. But, yeah. The credits are rolling and it just ended. Thanks for watching my Let's Play of Mario Kart DS. And stay tuned for the next Let's Play.